When we think of India's rich heritage, the grandeur of the Mughal Empire instantly comes to mind. From the Taj Mahal's eternal beauty to Hindustani classical music echoing through royal courts, let's explore how the Mughals shaped India's rich culture and cultural identity. Let us know the rise of Mughal Empire, founded in 1526 by Babur after the First Battle of Panipat, expanded by Akbar, beautified by under Shah Jahan, and militarily stretched by Aurangzeb. Even though their political power declined after the 18th century, their cultural legacy still lives on. Let us know architectural wonders. First is Humayun's tomb, first garden tomb, inspired later designs. Second is Fatehpur Sikri, Akbar's capital, mixing Hindu and Islamic styles. Third is Taj Mahal, masterpiece of Shah Jahan and symbol of love. Fourth is Red Fort and Jama Masjid, Delhi's iconic Mughal landmarks. Common features of all these architectural wonders are domes, marble inlay work, Persian gardens, and minarets. Let us know paintings and miniatures. Mughals developed a unique painting style combining Persian finesse with Indian realism. Akbar illustrated manuscripts like Akbarnama, Jahangir naturalistic styles, birds, animals, flowers, and later Mughal art, portraits, and court scenes. Let us know the literature and language. Persian is official court language, rich chronicles, Ain I Akbari and Akbarnama. Urdu is born from blend of Persian, Arabic, and local dialects. Poetry and regional literature flourished under Mughal influence. Let us know the music and performing arts. In Akbar's court, Tansen, one of the Navaratnas, father of Hindustani classical music, Mughal patronage, new ragas, fusion of Persian and Indian styles. Kathak dance evolved as a court art form. Let us know the cultural impact and legacy. The Mughals left behind a fusion of cultures, Indo Persian architecture, Urdu language, classical music, miniature art, and gardens. Even today, Mughal heritage is central to India's identity and tourism. From domes that touched skies to melodies that touched the soul, the Mughals transformed India forever. What's your favorite Mughal legacy? The Taj Mahal, Urdu poetry, or Hindustani music? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for day 5 of our India series.